Your hard-working pup deserves gear and its stuff and stylish as they are. Introducing the Carhartt Firm Duck Insulated Dog Chore coat. A durable, functional, and warm jacket built to handle wherever the outdoors throw at them. Whether you out on the farm, hiking a trail, or just strolling through the neighborhood, this chore coat is made for adventure. Inspired by Carhartt timeless style, your dog will look great while staying warm. Available in multiple sizes to fit everyday breed, from small companions to rugged working dogs. It's not just a jacket, it's a gear your dog needs to be ready for any job, anytime.